Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you today what I found to be the best solution to lock up your utility trailer or any trailer you got running. Like most of you probably have a setup like this, or maybe one a little bit better. Or maybe you got the famous yellow one with the hoop over the top that's been debunked a million times. My setup, I just have a little cheap master lock, and we all know this isn't secure. And it's just sitting out here, and someone can definitely come along and snip this thing off and run away with your trailer. Now, any lock that you put on a trailer is going to keep an honest thief out. I mean, if someone wants this thing bad enough, I don't care what you put right here, they're going to find a way to bypass it and take it anyway. But most thieves are lazy and trying to do things quick in the night, and this is definitely going to slow them down, if not completely stop them. So I'm going to show you what I got. I reached out to Proven Locks, and I did my research for about 3 hours one day online, and found this company. Brian's Lawn Maintenance was doing a video with this company stuff here, and this by far I feel is the best solution for a trailer lock that you can do for $300 or less. So this is what this thing looks like completely assembled. If you look on the inside, I'm sure you're probably already familiar with how this works, but if not, this goes into your receiver right here, and it basically acts like a big old cup around the entire receiver area and utilizes a puck lock with this style key, which is really nice. So this is it all locked up, okay? I'm gonna take it apart and I'll show you the 3 main components that this thing comes with. All right, so you got your primary receiver right here. You got your piece that goes into your hitch ball area, and you have your puck lock itself, which is push to lock, which is very nice. So let me show you the way this thing works. You open up your trailer ball like this, okay? Then this little piece, and it's also very heavy, goes in here like this, okay? And you lock your trailer ball down. So here it is locked down, and this thing's hanging in here. You look up in here, this is what's happening, okay? It's being grabbed onto by your trailer ball lock, okay? So it's locked on nicely. Next, you take this big old cup and you set it on here, and you're gonna slide these grooves in. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed with the camera. Goes on here like this, and it moves around a little bit. That's fine. The main thing you want to look at is this area right here where this hole is. These 2 holes are gonna line up. Okay, this is where your puck lock's gonna go. Here's my puck lock. There's the area it's gonna go on the trailer. You set it on here, and you just simply push like that, and this locks it all together. Okay, now good luck beating this thing off of here and getting to the business side of the trailer. So now here it is all installed, and you may be thinking, all right, well, I can just open this up anyway and take it, but you can't, because the lock itself has joined all the pieces together, so it's eating up all the real estate inside of this trailer ball. So no matter how crafty you think you're gonna get with this, it's not coming off of here. And there's videos online, I'm not gonna do it to mine, guys beating the crap out of this thing, sledgehammers and everything else, trying to get it to budge, but it's not gonna happen. And you're not gonna cut through it, because not only you'd have to cut through here, you also have to cut through the piece that's inside of the ball area. So the way I'm gonna lock mine up is keep it like this, close that off. I'm also gonna add my master lock pin lock here. So, and really that's just for a visual, but someone rolls up on this thing, they see this here sitting here, they see this sitting here, they're gonna go, you know what, let's go somewhere else and get a different trailer. Then I'm also gonna take my RV and I'm gonna get it real close to this hitch. So it's gonna become a huge deterrent. So this is how I'm gonna run on my utility trailer. Gotta give you some info on this. This is the part number 2516, which is basically means this will fit on a 2 5/16 inch hitch. So if you have a, which is a common size on these utility trailers, so 2 5/16, so 25/16. So here's how you're also gonna use this lock to lock up your security chains, your safety chains. I have my safety chains here. You pull these out so you can kind of see what's going on. I've hooked them together around each other, so they're basically pulling at each other. So if you try to pull one out, it's going to be hooked onto the other one type of deal. This isn't 100% fail-safe, but this is a pretty good option. So let me show you what this looks like all kind of put together. And I also forgot to show you that you can install this with that pin in place here by putting it in sideways and then obviously twisting. I didn't show that on the first part of the video, but here it is like this. And I'm going to put these around this piece here like that, and I'm going to tuck them around back, kind of coming out the back end here. Okay, get them all nice and tidy so they kind of fit in this area. So here it is with the safety chains inside the lock, and honestly, good luck getting them out of there. It's pretty solid. I mean, the chain would have to be in just the right position to get past this area here. Probably work it out of here. You really got on it. It's just, you're gonna make a ton of noise getting those chains out of there, honestly. It nicely locks these chains together. So $245 at the time for this Proven Lock. Provenlocks.com. I'll put a link down below where you can get this particular model, and I can't say enough good things about these guys. And guess what? Best thing of all, made in the USA. So hopefully you get some information out of this video for what it's worth. Nice little DIY, you know, how to lock up your trailer, how I lock up my trailer. You know, more insurance would be to lock an axle to the telephone pole here, which is what I might do as well. Maybe a piece of the frame, you know, just to really kind of lock this thing down, because there's nothing that grounds them. So this is the first primary spot, and someone drives by and they see this sitting on here. I mean, there's other options, you know, go on to someone else's. Unfortunately, you know, it is what it is. You know, you don't want them to steal anything, but, you know, deterrent, it's got a visual deterrent, and also it's going to be loud getting that thing off there if you got to use power tools. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. Please subscribe, visit them online. I have a link down below where you can get to their website where you can buy one of these beauties, and definitely buy from their website. You know, you never know with the stuff on Amazon, quite honestly. I'd really rather you go right to their website and buy it, and get you in the next video. Later.